Hey everybody, what's up? So today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Tesla Model Y or Tesla Model 3 just by using this small device right here. So give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned. So I recently got this pop-up right here saying that I was out of storage. So I guess that's from pretty much all the Sentry mode footage and the dashcam footage. But I have a solution for that. So let me show you. If you order a Tesla today, it's going to come with this 128GB flash drive right here. This is what stores all the camera footage around the car. So that is the Sentry mode and also the dashcam footage. So 128GB, that's not a lot for something that's constantly recording. So that's why that message is popping up saying the drive is full. So today we're going to upgrade this with this. This is a Sabrent Rocket Nano V2 SSD. This is actually the 2TB spec. You can also get it in 1TB and upwards of 2TB. So this one here costs $159. The 1TB costs $89. So I'll leave links to this in the description and pin comment down below if you want to check it out. Now let's unbox this and check it out. In the package you'll get this USB-C to USB-A cable. You'll also get a USB-C cable. And this is the drive right here. It also comes in this nice carrying case. So let me take it out and show you. Here's a closer look at the drive outside the case. As you can see, it's very small. It's like literally the size of a domino. Now let's go ahead and install it. So inside the glove box, it's a USB-A port and not a USB-C. So that is why we'll be using the USB-A cable to USB-C. So pretty much all you do is just plug it in and it's plug and play. You don't have to install any drivers or connect it to a computer or anything like that. All you have to do is go to the car, press the car icon right here, you tap safety and you scroll all the way down to here and you're going to do format USB drive and tap format, and that is going to format the drive to work with the Tesla, and that is it. There we go. So now it's recording. So here you can see it's stored very nicely. It doesn't take up a lot of space, definitely not a bulky drive. So you'll be able to put all your regular stuff you would put in your glove box in there and still have it right there. No issues at all. So that, my friends, is how you upgrade the base storage in your Tesla Model Y or any Tesla at all. So if you had that message pop up before saying you were out of storage, that is how you fix it. Now from 128GB to 2TB, that's a big jump. That's a whole lot of storage. There are some amazing discounts right now on all Teslas. So if you're in the market for a new Tesla, you can use my referral link in the pinned comment and description below. And that will save you up to $1,000 off a brand new Tesla. Plus you'll get up to 3 months of full self-driving. So that's a pretty sweet deal. Definitely check it out. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And also subscribe to the channel for more Tesla Model Y content. As always, thanks for watching. And peace out.